Hey, welcome back. So I'm going to ask you a question right now. I would love to know, what was the last thing that $1 did for you? Just $1. Okay, think about that for a second. You can't even go grab a drink at the convenience store for $1 anymore. So I have an amazing opportunity for you in the month of May to join my 31 team. Okay, so if you have been interested in the 31 business opportunity, joining to start a business, to maybe make some extra money, maybe you just want your hands on all the products, you've got to know everything first, maybe there is, you want a way to be able to give back to people, or maybe you just want something for you. You want some girl time, just something for you. This may be the opportunity for you to join my 31 team in the month of May. Okay, so you can actually have a couple of ways that you can join 31, but if maybe a budget has been an issue for you, this may be the way for you. Or if you know that you are going to join and you are going to jump in with both feet and get going, the $1 option is really a great enrollment option for you as well. So in the month of May, you actually have a couple of ways you can join. You can join for the $1, or you can join with an enrollment kit, our all day, every day 3 enrollment kits. We have a $59 kit, a $99 kit, and a $179 kit. But with the $1 option, if you enroll for the $1, you will be able to have 3 months of a free website, and you'll be able to join 31 basically as like a digital consultant. So you'll have immediate access to all of our trainings on our consultant website. Of course, with me and my team page, just to help you get started. So you'll have that 3 months as a free customer-facing website, so which means you'll be able to create like a shopping link and then share that shopping link with your friends and your family. So you'll have 3 months free of that. Now, you will have the option, or not the option, but the ability to earn an enrollment kit. So if you join for the $1, you're not going to receive an enrollment kit full of products, but you have a way to earn your kit for free. Okay, so that is if you submit personal volume or sales within your first 30 days as a consultant. So if you submit at least $500 in sales in your first 30 days, then you will be able to earn our Basic Bestsellers Kit for free. Okay, now this is going to be our designer kit, so you won't be able to choose your prints and your personalization, but you'll get the entire kit for free. Okay, if you submit $1,000 in your first 30 days, then you will receive the Signature Fan Faves Kit, this $99 kit, for free. Okay, and then if you submit $2,000 in personal volume in your first 30 days, then you will receive our Ultimate Goal Getter Kit for free, valued at over $700. Okay, so I think this is really great, really, for everyone. If you're wanting to join, because of a budget issue, or if you know that you're going to join 31 as a consultant and you're ready to go, like you've already got parties lined up and you're ready to go, join for the $1 and then earn your kit for free. That's the way to go. Now, and then if you join for the $1, like I said, you'll get 3 months of a free customer-facing website. But we also have a new consultant program called AMP Jumpstart. All My Perks Jumpstart. So it's going to help you jumpstart your business. So if you submit personal volume, then you're going to earn things for free. So if you submit, this is on top of the $1 enrollment. So if you submit $300 in your first 30 days, then you're going to receive an office desk organizer for free. If you submit $500 in personal volume in your first 30 days, not only are you going to earn the this kit for free, but you will also earn an around-the-clock thermal plus an additional 2 months of a free website. So basically, if you join for the $1, you're going to get 3 months free of a website. But in that first 30 days, if you submit $500 in personal volume, you will earn this kit for free plus an additional 2 months of a free website. So you basically have the option or ability to earn 5 months of a free website. Okay. And then of course our AMP Jumpstart keeps going at the $1,000 level all the way up to the $4,000 level, where you can earn products in your first 90 days as a consultant. So I think this is such a great deal to join 31 in the month of May. Whether like I personally, normally I would say go for the Goal Getter Kit. Like that's what I would just get the Goal Getter Kit. But if you know that you are starting this as a business, then join for the $1, get your 3 free months of a website, and then earn your kit for free. That is definitely the way to go. And so really, $1 can change your life. So if you're interested in the opportunity, the business opportunity, I would love to help you get started as a new consultant. Of course, you'll have all of the tools on our 31 consultant website, but you'll also have me on the back end to help you get the ball rolling, okay? And so I love helping new consultants start off strong. And when you're in this for the business, I want to help you, whether you are interested in just making some money or maybe even growing a team and growing into leadership. I am looking for leaders on my team as well. So we can definitely chat. I am an open book, and I'd love to answer any of your questions if you're interested in joining with me and my Radiant Rubies team. I think I have an amazing team, and we all work so well together, so we can chat. I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook, so you can click to join, and we can kind of start the conversation on Facebook Messenger there. So you can message me on Facebook. We'll just get in touch over there, and hopefully see if 31 might be a fit for you. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope that you will do this for your future self, as my shirt says. Do this for your future self, and you won't regret joining 31. So thank you so much for your time today. Give me the thumbs up. Please comment below. I want to know what the last thing $1 did for you. I'm very curious. Okay, y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.